Okay, let's look at image optimization. We'll forget about the other errors for the time being. I visited your site and copied 3 images from your site to a new Zara web document, and that's that one, and this one down here. And here we are in the Zara web document with your 3 images. If I click on these, the first thing that I don't understand is with this copying and pasting, if I look into the bitmap gallery here, it says it's a bitmap and it's 940 kilobytes, which is very big. It's very big. 1200, which is even bigger. However, when I actually just go preview the site and I go into Google, right click, view image info, this image here is only 50 kilobytes, which is fine. 32 kilobytes, which is fine. And that one's 54 kilobytes, which is fine. That's okay. So shut that down. Oh, I don't want to do that. Shut that down. Okay, so there we are. So here we are, back in Zara, and you've got your 3 images. I'm going to zoom out to 50% for a minute so we can see everything that's on the screen. And if we click on this, click on that icon there, whoops, bring that back here and click the image. It says let Zara Designer Pro choose the file type automatically, and there doesn't seem to be any problem with that. It's usually best unless you want a PNG. It's okay to leave it like that. Now I'm going to go File, Export, Publish Website. Sorry, publish to an alternative web host. Settings. I think this was 4 by 4. I think, and I'll click OK. OK. Publish. And there's the site published. I'll close that. If I then go back into Firefox, go into four by 4. Here we are with the web pages we've got nicely done. Again, I can right click, view image info, because that gives you all the images and they're all a reasonable size as was shown before. Now I'm going to go to this web link, https://developers.google.com/speed/page speed/insights, and it is here. If I just go into get that page like that, copy that URL, Control C to copy, go back to page insights and click in there and go Control V and analyze, and it comes up with fairly good results, 94 and 89. There's not a lot in it though, is there? It's a good job. Possible optimization, image optimization, and it comes up and tells you that these images, 11 JPEG, 13 JPEG and 12 JPEG, could be 21% reduced, 16% and 25% reduced. And I don't know why Zara can't match that type of compression anymore. But if you write down, I'll just put that here, down to the bottom of the page, it says download optimized image, JavaScript and CSS resources for this page. So if I just click on that, downloads. It's being scanned by McAfee. I'm going to open the containing folder. Just bear with me a minute. Where is it gone? There it is. If I can find it. Optimize content. If I right click over it and extract all. So that optimizing. Show extracted files when complete. And there is the. I don't know how I managed to get that one. Extract. Erase the file in the destination because I've probably done this before. And there it comes up inside this unzipped file now is the CSS, which is just the ANI one. I'm not dealing with that at the moment. And this one, images. And there's your 1, 2, 3 images. I don't know why it's giving me these buttons. They must be from an old test, something that I've done, because obviously they're not currently on the site. But there are your 3. What I'm going to do now is to change that image to a placeholder. And I could, if I want to go, just do that bitmap, give it a flat fill. I'll use purple for my placeholders. So if I click on that, go into the web properties, placeholder, and this time I'm going to replace it with a graphic file. Go like that, and I'm going to click that image. Click open and apply. But the trouble is, it still stays that purple colour. But if I regenerate placeholder image automatically and apply, it gives me a more meaningful thing on the site. It's not necessary to do that step with the changing the fill from a bitmap to a flat fill. You can just go placeholder, browse, this one, open, regenerate the placeholder automatically, apply. Okay, similarly with this one, we can go web properties, placeholder, with the graphic file, and this one, open, apply, okay. Now, nothing seems to have changed there, but this time when I go file, publish website, publish, publishing to the same folder as we published previously, stop upload. If I then go back into Firefox, and you saw here that we had told us to optimize these images, and that could be 21%, that could be 16%, that one could be 25% reduced. I'm going to go back up to the top here. I'm going to reanalyze that now. So I'll click on this, and that comes up with 91%, and that one comes up with 97%. But more importantly, the possible optimizations only mention the eliminate the render blocking JavaScript and CSS in the above the fold content. What you don't have here now, the need to reduce the image sizes, because you've already done it. And it can be a bit of a nuisance to do it, but it's a possibility. Anyway, I hope this helped. This is Egg. All the best. Cheers. Bye.